For many years people have suffered. Those who have been born, not with a silver spoon in their mouths, but with a wooden spoon. They have been chained. They have been bound by things that have been around them of which they had no control. Most people are chained. They are chained to their environment. They are chained to their families' legacies and the traditions of their families. These are heavy chains. These are chains that have encumbered most people today. There are over 8 billion people on Earth and most of them are chained. They can't break loose. They can't break loose from what has caused them to go homeless and hungry, to be in areas not fit for habitation. These are the chains that have bound innocent loving people, and now there's something on the horizon built by a man who is sick and tired of seeing the heavy chains that are bounding people and not giving them an opportunity to break free. To break free to the freedom that a lot of people now are seeking. His name is Mr. Mufareh. He is the creator of a vehicle called ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE was designed for those who have been in chains all their lives. Mr. Mufareh has created a fully automated system to help people who are chained to their existence. All it takes is the belief in ONPASSIVE and trust the things that ONPASSIVE will do for those who become founders in ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE will break the chains that are holding people from their freedom. That freedom from financial worries will be over for all founders. The countdown to financial freedom and time freedom is days away from happening with the global marketing campaigns. When that happens, over 1,200,000 founders will be released for the chains that bound them to total freedom. Thank you, Mr. Mufareh, and your family and the staff for making it happen.